Welcome to 211 Majestic Ridge Road in Mills River, North Carolina. This 3,014 square foot home sits on a sprawling 3/4 acre lot just a few minutes from South Asheville. With 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this $1.4 million new construction home is filled with upgrades and luxury features. For the first time towards the end of this tour, I'll give my personal opinion on things I love about this home, things that might be improved upon, and then I'd love to hear your opinion on some controversial items. As a real estate professional, I view homes for livability, value, and resale potential. I think you'll enjoy the review, and it may add a few things to your must-have list, so stay tuned to the end. Okay, let's get back to the tour. As you can see, the main living area is open and airy. Tons of windows flood the space with natural light and take in the landscape of rolling hills. The fireplace is finished with a full stone veneer and has a gas log system. The kitchen is outfitted with Bosch stainless steel appliances and a large walk-in pantry just around the corner. The center island features drawers and cabinets for quick access to cooking essentials. The main floor study has a fun secret. A Murphy bed is hidden behind the built-in bookcases. Just slide the shelf-lined panels apart and pull down the bed, and now you're ready for guests. This laundry room might make you forget laundry is a chore. It is spacious with an expansive granite countertop and boasts a beautiful wood-look tile floor. There's a cute nook in the wall designed for a cat litter box. It even has its own exhaust fan in the ceiling of the nook. Of course, this feature could be used as a pet feeding station or even a tennis shoe drying space. Okay, we've toured the whole house, and now let's take a minute or two to review. Please understand these are my personal opinions, and you may or may not agree, and that's okay. Let's get started. The first thing I love is the front porch. The size and the square shape allows for some seating on the left side, and there's ample room on the right for seasonal decor. Overall, I find it very welcoming and very well laid out. Up next, the floor color. This is a color we're seeing more and more, and I love it. We're moving away from the gray and cool tones and warming just a touch. It's still very neutral and light and totally on trend. The materials used in the kitchen are winners for me. I still love light colored kitchen, but the choice to paint the island a deep blue keeps it really interesting. I think the countertop choice is lovely with its natural colors and veining, and it's perfectly paired with a simple backsplash. The backsplash tile has a very subtle shimmer, which is elevated and lovely. We all love a great pantry. The built-in pullouts are a really nice touch. The primary bath features medicine cabinets. We don't see these much anymore in new construction homes, and I think they are so smart for convenient storage. Bravo! The Murphy bed in the study is brilliant and practical. It saves the need for a dedicated guest room. And finally, the laundry room. The size is great, the floor is beautiful and playful, and there's plenty of room for folding. The litter box nook would be used as a dog feeding station for me. Okay, now let's move on to a few areas that I might change. I would prefer clear glass in the front door. I know some people like the privacy of frosted glass, but this home is set far enough off the street that that shouldn't be an issue, and there is clear glass just to the left of the front door. The kitchen is beautiful, but I find a few of the kitchen appliance choices interesting. There's a gas range with an oven below and a wall oven with a microwave. My choice would have been a larger statement range with a 1.5 or 2 full ovens below, and then move the microwave to the pantry or install a drawer-style microwave in the island. Speaking of the pantry, I love the space here, but I would have preferred to see a countertop encircling the space for appliances. For a 3,000 square foot house, the primary bathroom feels small. The shower door opens, just clearing the vanity countertop. If a second person was at the counter, there wouldn't be much space for drying or moving about. I was surprised to see a plastic tub surround in new construction in that upstairs bath. Buyers at this price point of $1.4 million expect to see tile. Okay, now I'd love to hear what you think about these next 3 things. Would you expect to have a pot filler above the cooktop? Some people love them, others never use the ones they have. What do you think? Next up is the kitchen sink. Which style of sink do you prefer, a double sink or a single sink? I'm used to a divided double kitchen sink. It would take me a little getting used to having one big sink in the kitchen. Which do you prefer? And finally, how do you feel about the mixed metals used in this home? Door hardware and light fixtures throughout are black, but sink hardware and the bathroom fixtures are gold. I don't have a strong opinion on this one, and hardware is easily updated, although it's not an inexpensive project. Let me know your thoughts on mixed metals. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more Western North Carolina home tours, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Salt Realty is a boutique, full-service real estate agency based in Asheville, North Carolina. Exceeding expectations is not just their tagline, it is their goal for each and every client. The team of professionals at Salt Realty welcome the opportunity to assist you, whether buying or selling in North Carolina or anywhere in the United States.